Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some of the farmhouse themed spring garden DIYs. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this I got one of this garden fence. I dry brushed with white chalk paint to give like little rustic effect there. And I also got this wooden box. They come 3 in a piece. So I got the biggest one and I'm just cutting down according to the width of this wooden box. For that, to start with, I'm just taking off those pointy things and I'm going to use that for another DIY. Now I'm measuring like you're seeing and I'm going to cut it down exactly where the box is measuring up to, and I'm also going to remove those pointy nail stuff. And I just gave like generous amount of hot glue and I stuck one piece of it, and all the 4 pieces look like this after they are stuck. Those gaps I'm just going to fill with the spackling, and after it dries I'm going to paint it with black chalk paint. You're going to see that in just a minute. And yeah, this is how it looks after they're all painted and well done. Now I'm going to take this eucalyptus pieces that came in one of those bushes, the tiny ones. Yeah, those ones. I just took like 4 or 5 pieces and I'm just arranging inside this wooden box. I'm going to style it with placing a candle inside, but it's up to you however you want to style it. And I also placed a lot of white flowers in there, and these flowers can be changed according to the season, and decorate. This can be like all year long decor piece that you can place anywhere around the house. And this is one of the DIY that I want to share with you all today, and I'm going to use those spokes and also decorate it. So I'm going to use the whole part of the garden fence. You're going to see that in just a second. So this is one of it that I want to share with you all. I hope you like it too. I enjoyed it though, making this, and yeah, please let me know your thoughts. DIY number 2 or hack. So this is one of the tin container. I painted it white chalk paint. I gave like 2 good coats. And I got this pokey things from the garden fence. I don't know the name of it. So I'm going to place like that with generous amount of hot glue. You can also use permanent glue, but yeah, I went with hot glue alone. And I just attached all these 3 pieces and it's going to stand on its own. And I also got this brown burlap ribbon and I attached it around it. And one of this cute white burlap bow that I got from Michael's. I think they came for 99 cents. I attached that in the center and I filled with a lot of white flowers and eucalyptus greenery to finish the look. Isn't this pretty? I just love the wrought iron look, although it is fall, and it just gives like a nice beautiful planter farmhouse style. And I just love how this turned out and the simple hack, and you can interchange flowers according to the season for this as well. And yeah, this is another one that I want to share with you all today. I hope you like it too. Please let me know your thoughts. This video will be part of Just Our Imagination collab, and this is hosted by Brenda over Rustic Lace and DIYs, and Kathy from Kathy Jo DIYs, and co-host is Jackie from Jackie Burns Creations. And I'm going to link the crafting channels of these 3 ladies in my description box, as well as the link to the playlist as well. The must-use items are garden fence, which we just used, and the plunger, both the parts, and rubber stamps. So you're going to see the other 2 in just a second. Let's move on to DIY number 3. This is one of the bag that came for Valentine's. I just used the front part for one of the DIYs, and I just bent down the back part and I attached with the hot glue to make it like a bag. You can see those raw edges. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to use silicone stamps instead. And I got these. All these are from Dollar Tree. You might have recognized it. And this ink pad that I got from Michael's, I think it was for $2 or something. And I just got this outline border silicone stamp and I just stuck like that. And I'm also going to stick this garden letters and I'm going to attach that in the center. Basically the garden is surrounded by this beautiful border. That was my idea. And I just took some of these florals from another silicone stamp pack and I'm going to attach that. This has like a nice greenery with hearts in the end, and I'm going to attach flower in the end. You're going to see that, and also butterflies flying around the garden, and this is how it looks. I'm happy with the look, and I'm going to stuff some of these plastic bags to give like little puffness to it, or you know, little fuller look. And I just attached some of this eucalyptus greenery and some white flowers to finish the look. I would say this is a sac planter, if you can call that as a word. And this is one of the farmhouse style planter or greenery basket or greenery bag. I am very much happy how this turned out. And I was planning to do this from a long time, and I just grabbed the opportunity of this DIY, and I just added this as this is one of the important items that we have to address in this DIY. So yeah, I'm happy how this turned out. I hope you like it too. So let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4, or the last one, and this is one of my favorites too. This is one of the beautiful planter that I got from Dollar Tree, and the plunger. And I'm going to place the base of the plunger like that, and then the wooden part I'm going to attach one of this ball. This is actually a sponge ball. To start, I'm going to dry brush with white chalk paint, and I'm just wiping it down so the design shows up well. And also I'm going to use one of this two of these green paints, and I'm going to make a mixture, and I'm going to paint all over this sponge ball and let it dry. And I'm going to paint this brown paint on top of this wooden part of the plunger. And this is one of the lights that broke. The lights are not glowing up, so I'm going to use the in those wire, and I'm going to paint it with brown paint and let it dry. And these are some of the leaves. I wanted to dip it in white chalk paint to give like a little better look. I don't like that obnoxious green color, so I just let it dry. While those are drying, I just attached some of this eucalyptus greenery, and I inserted this ball into the wooden part of the plunger, and I just filled with a lot of plastic bags, and I also stuck all this greenery and white flowers. Now I'm going to circulate this wire around this wooden part of this plunger to give like nice twiner effect for this topiary. And I also filled a lot of Spanish moss on top of it, and I created bows with brown burlap and natural burlap and one of this green ribbon to create a bow, and I attached that just in the center to finish the look. Isn't this a beautiful topiary? And this can go all year round, and you can place near a fireplace or mantle, or maybe anywhere around the house. So that's the place I'm going to place though. And yeah, this is another cute topiary that I wanted to do from a long time again, and yeah, this was an opportunity to do it. And yeah, I'm so happy how this turned out. I think this is my favorite today, and yeah, let me know your thoughts. And these are some of my social media handles if you'd like to connect with me over there. And this means we reach to the final part of the video, which is the final reveal of all the DIYs today. And I thoroughly enjoyed making all these DIYs. They're farmhouse style, they can stay all year long, and the flowers can be interchanged and can fit the occasion or the season. And yeah, these are some of the DIYs that I wanted to do from a long time. The moment I saw the required items for this collab, I just jumped into it, making all these DIYs. I had this in my mind from a long time, so yeah, this is the time to make it come real. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like some of these ideas and if you'd like to join with the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join. And definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. Yeah, and I wanted to take a minute to thank all of you for taking some time to watch this video and make my day. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I would let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.